have double filtration, no? With primary filters and secondary filters?
Yeah.
Okay, great. In this particular boat, the primary filter is here, and after that the secondary. Normally in other engines, the secondary filters are on the engine. You have primary filter, secondary filter here. Everything is properly connected, properly bonded. The filter in great condition, the crystal completely clean. The sensor for the water, for indication of water, level of water, is properly connected here. This is the sensor, is over there. The fuel is clean. You flushed the fuel recently?
Not myself.
But it's clean, no? It's completely.
We have an alpha valve cleaning system.
Oh, nice. And those are the secondary filters. The secondary filter have the sensor for water alarm in both of them. Great. And the engines are in great condition, properly bonded, no corrosion, zero corrosion. It's a straight transmission, no? Yeah.
V.
Oh, V-drive. V-drive. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's V-drive. You see? That's the main shaft, and this is the return. That's great. Okay, and what about those?
So those are the valves that open and close for the fuel transfer.
Oh, the fuel transfer.
Yeah, so the main tank is there, and then the daily tank is under.
Under.
So when you open that, gravity will fill up the daily.
You feel the daily tank. Okay, nice, great. I love it. Those are the pumps to change the oil in the transmission and engines for both sides. That the oil change pump. That the oil change pump. This is a transfer pump, and this is the hose that you introduce in the bucket when you change the oil. You put the bucket here, and you suction or you discharge. And this is the transfer pump. Only to service, for service. One engine and the other engine. Oh, nice. And this is the computer for the transmission. The computer for the other transmission, the fuel transfer. Great. And this is the main control for the port engine and the starboard engine. This engine room is great. The bonding system is properly connected. Bonding system. Everything is bonded. Everything is bonded. No corrosion. This is a great boat. This is a great boat post. And look at the VIN number in the hull. System. The fireboy system. And the tank for the fireboy system is over there.
Yep. You got two. This main one and another one back there.
That one is connected with those lines, and those lines are here. And you have another fire suppression tank over there. That's great. Two generators. Jose, the water maker, no?
Yeah.
High pressure pump, the water maker, the vacuum, high pressure, low pressure, the level of the bring and the product. Yeah. Two membranes. That
The low pressure pump down here.
and the low pressure pump is where? Here? That one. That's the low pressure pump. And those are the filter for the low pressure filters. And,
Yeah.
yes.
That's actually for after the charcoal filter for after it comes out. But the low pressure filters are here, a little bit bigger than that.
Okay, and the membranes over there. You do the service twice per year on the membrane?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. And it's working constantly to supply.
Like the membrane filter, you don't have to do it that often if you use it.
Okay,
So
depending.
Once a week I fresh water flush it, and if you keep using it, keep changing the low pressure filter, you know, maybe it'll last you like 2-3 years without doing the membrane flush. The membrane service needs to get done when you don't use it, when you let it sit with water.
Yeah, okay. And you have problems frequently with the high pressure pump or not?
No, it got fully serviced when we bought the boat, and so it's been working really good.
Yeah. Okay. And that air conditioning unit is for what?
They got 4 chillers.
The chiller.
Yeah,
Okay. The system in the boat is a chiller system. Oh, great. And this is the compressor, and this is the evaporator for the chiller system.
Yeah.
And okay, that's the input and output of coolant, fresh water.
Yeah.
Great, great.
We got 4 compressors.
Look at other compressors. 4 compressors working in series.
Right.
Look at the cooler for the shore power cable. The shore power cable is storage in that container, and this is the puller. And the puller is a puller pump located outside, no? To pull the cable and push the cable.
Bring it in and out.
This is the panel. This is the panel. This is the 24 volts, the DC panel. And this is the AC panel, 120s or 230, 60 hertz.
I have this section right here is all the electronic computers like TV, sound system, satellite TV and all that. This is all coming from the UPS.
This is regulated power coming from the
UPS. It's like a
the
battery.
UPS. Yes, correct. Those are the isolator transformers to clean the AC signal. Isolator transformers. One is working, is too hot. The other one is not working.
I'm using just 1 shore power.
Because you are using only 1 shore power. That one is too hot.
Now the water pump system, we got 2 fresh water, DC and AC.
You have 2 fresh water pumps, one DC, 24 volts, and other AC pump for fresh water. And this is the discharge manifold for fresh water. Great. It's open. Okay, and those are the low pressure filter for the water maker. Correct. Oh, nice. I love it. Look at the batteries.
These are 2 volts batteries.
Each cell is 2 volts.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. This
All
is
in series.
and connected in series to provide 12.
Yeah.
Great.
No, to provide 24.
To provide 24. You have 12, no?
Yep.
12 cells. Each cell produce 12 volts, and produce 24 volts. Oh, wonderful! I love it.
But look at this. They're like flexible. The casing.
Yeah.
See how it moves? It's like flexible. I've never seen that before. I thought, like at the beginning, I thought that they were bad batteries because they look inflated. All of them. But no, I load test them. Everything looks good.
And each cell is 2 volts connected in series with the next cell and connected in series with the. Oh, wonderful!
Series.
Yeah. Great connection. What is the name of those cells?
I'm not sure. I don't have a label for it, so I'm trying to find out the amp hours on each.
And they have the white caps. It's because each cell is lead acid, no?
Yeah, it's lead acid.
Lead
so
acid,
you fill the water. I have to constantly fill the water here.
And you added the still water.
Yeah. I pretty much add it once a month. Because this boat uses a lot of DC.
Excuse me, at the end, you have the final of the series. You have 24 volts in between the big red and the big
red and
the big black.
Yeah.
You have 24 volts. This is the final of the series. Nice.